Hey, welcome to PyMusic, a music learning software. Intuitively, it's super easy to use. You just hit go after entering your file path and read in the notes. Let's take a listen. Let's try it with a different song, this time a little bit faster. You could also feel free to play around with accidentals, different instruments, and even speeds. Alright, sounds just like Twinkle Twinkle. Now you can bring the sound of Duke Ellington to your computer. Thanks for watching.